All right, so here I've got a 3-digit number taking away another 3-digit number. I have 304 take away 138. So I'm first going to get my blocks for that. I need 300 blocks, which are the big square ones. So 1, 2, 3. Now I like to lay them out flat normally, but I don't have too much space here. Let's see if I can do that. So I've got 304. Now, like always, we're starting with our ones. So if I look at my ones problem here, it says 4 take away 8. Can I take away that 4? No, I can't. So what I need to do is regroup and take from the tens. But what is the problem? Do I have any tens that I can take from? No, so I need to get some tens. How can I do that? I'm going to have to exchange one of my 100 blocks for tens. Now we know that there are 10 tens in here, so I'm going to take 10 tens in exchange for this 100 block. So I put this aside, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what that's left me with is 200 blocks, 10 tens, and 4 ones. I still have 304. I still have the top number, 304. But now I'm going to be able to take away 138. Much easier. So I'm looking at my ones, and it says 4 take away 8, but I can't do that. So what I'm doing, what I just did, was I switched in these hundreds. Now, how many hundreds do I have here? I only have 2. So I'm going to cross off that 3, and I'm going to leave a 2 because there are only 2 hundreds right now. And now if I look in my tens column, so I've got my hundreds, tens, and ones. If I look in my tens column, I've got 10 tens here. So I need to add a 1 to show that in my hundreds column, I've got 10 tens. All right. I've got 10 tens, and what I still need to do is take one of those tens and change them into ones, because I can't take away 8 ones from only 4. We can't do that. So what I need to do is exchange one of my tens. So I'm getting rid of one of my tens. What number does that leave me with? It leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 tens. So I'm going to put a 9 up here. Now I've got my 9. My 10's crossed out, my 3's crossed out. I've got 9 tens. So I'm going to take that 10 and I'm going to put my 1s back in because I always have to exchange it. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. All right. Now I can take away, now I'm going to count my 1s. How many 1s do I have here? I had 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So I have to change my 4 to a 14 by adding a 1. So now I've got 14 take away 8. So I can go ahead and take 8 away. 2, 4, 6, 8. Getting rid of those 8. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write a 6 right here. So I've got my 6. All right, now I'm moving on to my tens column. In my tens column, I have 9 tens, and it says I need to take 3 away. And that's easy to do. I can do that. How many do I have left? 3, 6. So I write a 6 here. All right, now in my hundreds column, I have 2 hundreds, and I'm taking 1 away. How many hundreds do I have left? 1. So my answer is 166. Now we're going to double check that. I've got 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 2, 4, 6, 166. All right, so I want you to try that problem on your own now. I'll give you a question to try, and then I'll show you the answer for this one, for this problem as well. So we're going to do 314, take away 225. All right, go ahead and try that problem.